Don't miss this opportunity to purchase an exceptional horse farm in Northeast Indiana, plus multiple homes, fenced pasture areas, and much more. Metzger Property Services presents 45 acres west of Fort Wayne in Allen County, selling at auction November 30th. Situated just west of Fort Wayne at 14743 Leesburg Road, these 45 acres will be offered in 5 individual tracts, select combinations, and the entirety. Tract 1 is 12 acres and includes magnificent home and equestrian facilities. The 3-bedroom home has 4.5 bathrooms and an open concept layout providing seamless flow through the main living areas. The kitchen is complete with central island and granite countertops, while an additional summer kitchen and pantry area in the garage provides additional space for storage and meal preparation. The master suite is a private oasis with extensive walk-in closet, while the master bath features steam shower, double vanity with marble top, and wraparound porch access through the French doors. Equestrian facilities on Tract 1 include multiple outbuildings, a 10-stall horse barn with 160 by 72 show riding arena and observation room, plus wraparound porch, bathroom and living quarters, as well as dedicated washroom for horses. Another horse barn on Tract 1 also includes 10 stalls and riding arena. Tract 2 is 7 acres with a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom country home that features a spacious kitchen plus large garage and barn. An excellent income-producing property, the residence on Tract 2 is currently occupied by long-term renters. Tract 3 is 11 acres in size and has secluded country home with outbuildings and 2 ponds, ideal for fishing and outdoor recreation. Tract 3 is also an income-producing property as the 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home is currently occupied by long-term renters. Tract 4 is a 7-acre mix of pasture and woods, an ideal site for building a dream home. Tract 5 is also a mix of pasture and wooded area, 8 acres in size, and includes pole barn. Tract 5 is a swing tract and must be purchased in conjunction with another tract or by an adjoining landowner. The 60 by 68 structure is heated, has concrete floors, bathroom, electricity, 2 large overhead doors, and 6 standard garage doors. 2 open house dates are set for you to see this opportunity firsthand: Wednesday afternoon, November 15th from 5:30 to 6, and Sunday afternoon, November 19th from 1 to 2 o'clock. This exceptional horse farm with multiple homes and outbuildings near Fort Wayne, Indiana, will sell at auction Thursday evening, November 30th at 6 o'clock. Auction will be held off-site at the Glen Event Center, 129 South Eagle Trail in Columbia City, Indiana. Online bidding will also be available through the Metzger Property Services website. To find out more, call Justin at 260-246-3778. Call Metzger Property Services 260-982-0238 or visit the website bidmetzger.com.